Hello friends, my name is Mr. Santosh Amudar Rautore. I am working as a lecturer in Sanjeevani Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Kopargaon. Today we are going to study about the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and rules thereunder 1975. Let's start with the object of this act. The main object of this act is to provide for the termination of certain pregnancies by registered medical practitioner and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Definitions. First definition is guardians, means a person having the care of person of a minor or a lunatic. Second definition has the meaning assigned to it in section 3 of Indian Lunacy Act 1912. Minor means a person who under the provision of Indian Majority Act 1875 is to be deemed not to have attained his majority. Fourth definitions, registered medical practitioner means medical practitioner who possesses any recognized medical qualifications as defined in clause H of section 2nd of Indian Medical Council Act 1956, whose name has been entered in the state medical register and who has such a experience or training in gynecology, obstetric as may be prescribed by rules made under this act. First point of this topic, circumstances or conditions under which pregnancy may be terminated by registered medical practitioner under MTP Act 1971. The first circumstances is the registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy when it is more than 12 weeks old and the medical practitioner is of the opinion formed in good faith that the continuance of pregnancy would result into the serious injury to the physical or mental health of the pregnant woman, or the child to be born would be seriously handicapped due to the physical or mental abnormalities. Second conditions or circumstances, the registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy if it is more than 12 weeks but not more than 20 weeks. If not less than 2 registered medical practitioners are of the opinion mentioned in the first above, where any pregnancy is alleged by the pregnant woman to have been caused by rape or as a result of failure of any contraceptive device used by any married woman or her husband for the purpose of family planning, it may be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. To determine whether the continuance of pregnancy would result into the grave injury to the physical or mental health of the pregnant woman, the actual and forcible environment may be taken into the consideration. Third conditions, the registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy of a woman of 18 years or more with her written consent. Fourth, the registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy of a woman who is less than 18 years of age or who has attained the age of 18 years is a lunatic with her written consent of her guardian. Next point, experience or trainings. The registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy if his name has been entered in the state medical register before the commencement of the act, should have not less than 3-year experience in the practice of gynecology and obstetric. Second, if his name has been entered in the state medical register on or after the date of the commencement of the act, can terminate the pregnancy if he has completed 6 months of house surgery in gynecology and obstetric, or if he has experience at any hospital for a period of not less than 1 year in the practice of gynecology and obstetric, or if he has assisted a registered medical practitioner in the performance of 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancy in a hospital established or maintained or a training institute approved by the government for this purpose. Third, in case of registered medical practitioner who hold a postgraduate degree or diploma in gynecology and obstetric, the experience or training gained during the course of such a degree or diploma is considered. Next point is place for the termination of pregnancy as per the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. The approved places where the pregnancy may be terminated as per the MTP Act 1971 are first government hospitals, second a place for the time being approved for the purpose of this act by government, third the government is satisfied that the termination of pregnancy may be done therein under the safe and hygienic conditions. The upcoming facilities should be provided. These are an operation tables, an instrument for performing abdominal or gynecological surgeries, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipments, sterilization equipments, drugs and parenteral fluids for emergency use. The registered medical practitioner and other staff should be available. Next point is maintenance of admission register. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Regulation 1975 provides for the maintenance of admission register. The head of the hospitals or owners of the approved place should maintain a register in a prescribed form of the admission of women for the termination of their pregnancy. Serial number should be given to each entry in the admission register. A fresh serial should be given to each calendar year. The serial number of particular year should be distinguished from the serial number of other years. For example, serial number of 11 of 1997 and serial number of 11 of 1998 should be as 11 oblique 1997 and 11 oblique 1998. The admission register is a secret document. The details regarding the name and other particulars of the pregnant woman should not be disclosed to any person. Now, the last point of this chapter, offences and penalties. First, the termination of pregnancy by a person who is not a registered medical practitioner shall be an offence punishable under Indian Penal Code. Second, any person who willfully contravenes or willfully fails to comply with the requirements of any regulations made by state government is punishable with the fine up to 1000 rupees. Third, no suit for other legal proceedings shall lie against any registered medical practitioner for any damage caused likely to be caused by anything which is in good faith done or intended to be done under this act. On screen we can see the frequently asked questions in MSBT examinations. Here we have concluded the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and rules thereunder 1975. Thank you being with me. See you soon in our next presentation. Have a good day.